Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Glenn and this is Harrods Garage. Just a little update on the V35 up here in America, and it's an Infinity. It's a G35. So currently I am wet sanding it. So probably no video until next week. This is taking quite a while. I have done the panels on the side and they've come out quite good. And I'm doing the bonnet, which is taking quite a long time. And obviously I've got the rest of the car and the wheels. Hard at it. So be patient guys, it is going to happen and we're going to have a pretty damn good video hopefully on Monday for it. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet and the notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you on Monday. Thanks for watching, bye.